Would you believe this chic side table started life as a paint bucket? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you step by step how I upcycle this bucket, turning it from waste to treasure. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcycling and DIY projects. Here's everything I used for this project. From a simple paint bucket to plywood, wood treatment, sealers, liquid nail glue, paint for the perfect finish, and more. First, I trimmed down the bucket edges and sanded it smooth. This gives me a clean base to work with. Next, I measured and cut plywood strips and shapes for the table sides, top and bottom. Once cut, I sanded the wood. Then I treated the wood with dustpan to protect it from insects, termites, and decay. Then I sealed it with wood sealer for durability. After testing the fit, I added extra wooden support inside the bucket to hold the table's bottom board firmly. Then I glued wood strips around the bucket with liquid nail, a strong heavy-duty construction adhesive. Clamps kept everything in place while it dried. For the base, I attached a circular plywood board with liquid nails, stacked some weight on top, and let it set for 24 to 48 hours. Time for the glow up. I spray painted the bucket and top cover in sleek matte black. 3 coats, drying between each. Finally, I fixed the top panel securely in place. And voila! Here's the finished piece. A handmade, eco-friendly side table that's durable, functional, and totally one of a kind. From waste to wow. Would you add this to your home or workspace? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more DIY, upcycling, and repurposing ideas from me.